The Battle of Sobral, fought on October 14th to 15th, 1810, was a relatively minor but strategically important engagement during the Peninsular War, part of the Napoleonic Wars. It occurred near the town of Sobral de Monteagrasso in central Portugal and involved British-Portuguese forces under Arthur Wellesley, the Duke of Wellington, and French forces under Marshal Masséna. The battle took place during Masséna's invasion of Portugal, aimed at capturing Lisbon. However, Wellington had prepared a strong line of defensive fortifications known as the Lines of Torres Vedras, stretching from the Atlantic to the Tagus River, designed to protect Lisbon and halt the French advance. When the French reached the lines in October 1810, they encountered stiff resistance at Sobral. British and Portuguese troops repelled French probing attacks, particularly during a skirmish on October 14th and a more determined French assault on October 15th. Wellington's forces, well positioned on the defensive, inflicted casualties and refused to yield ground. Although not a major battle in terms of scale, Sobral demonstrated the strength of the Lines of Torres Vedras and marked the failure of Masséna's campaign to take Lisbon. Facing supply shortages and continued resistance, the French would eventually retreat from Portugal in early 1811.